Hey guys, just Scripting Legend here, and today I am back doing my How to Make an Epic Minigame series part 3, and today we will be adding leader stats and teams and a level up system. So first thing we're going to do is add teams. So go ahead and go into the model tab, and then all the way on the right you should see these like two wheels, like where my mouse is. So click on that, and then a window should appear. I don't know if you can see it on the recording or not. And there should be two things there: replicate a script service and teams. So click on the teams one, and then click insert, and then it should close off. And now in your Explorer you can see you have the teams in here. Alright. Now click on the plus next to the teams and insert a team. You can name the team. This one will be playing, and the team color will be bright red, and I can duplicate that, and I can make it lapis team color and name to spectators. Alright, and go back onto one that's named playing and just put auto assignable off. Now you can go into your spawn location and go down to teams and put the team color to lapis or whatever your spectator's team color is, and put neutral to true, and make sure allow team change untouched is false. So now if we go and play this, we should have our teams. All that I have, so I have my teams here. If you saw that I had my team service before I started recording, that is because this is the 4th time I'm making this video. I've been having problems with my microphone, but that is taken care of, and I am back, so yeah. Alright, so now we can make the leader stats. So go ahead and insert a script into server script service, and this we can name it to leader stats. Leader stats, and then inside of the script we can do a player added function. So game.players.player added connect function, and in between the brackets we'll put player, then we'll do local stats equals to instance dot new folder, comma player, then we'll do stats dot name equals to leader stats. Then we can do drop down 2 lines, and we can do local wins equals to instance dot new int value comma stats, and then we can do wins dot name equals to wins, and wins dot value equals to 0. Alright, we can drop down 2 lines, and we can do local coins equals to instance dot new number value. You can use an int value or a number value. I guess I'll just use a number value this time. Alright, so then we'll do comma stats. Then we're going to do coins dot name equals to coins, and then we'll do coins dot value equals to 0. Drop down 2 lines, and we can do local level equals to instance dot new int value comma stats, and then we can do level dot name equals to level, and then we can do level dot value equals to 1. Alright, so now if we join the game we should have our leader stats. Yep, we have our wins, our coins, and our level. And we have a folder inside of our player named leader stats, and then the coins level and wins values. Alright, but so you can see that I see it right now, but if I was like a mobile player, I would not be able to see this if I was on my phone. So then what we're going to do is we are going to make a GUI that we can access all of our stats. So inside a starter GUI, we can insert a screen GUI and we can name it to player stats. Alright, inside of player stats, we can insert a frame, can set the size to 0.5, 0, 0.65, 0. Alright, and now we have this nice frame here. We can make it red, can give it a nice border color. So 0, 0, 0 for like a really nice black. Then we can just give it a border size pixel like 5. Alright, and now what we can do is delete that script. Alright, now what we can do is we can inside of the frame we can insert a text label. We can drag that up here. Alright. And we can also give it a border size pixel of 5 and a border color of 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0. Okay. And we can give it a background color of the same red, so pretty sure it was 255, 0, 4. Yeah. Alright, and now we can name this to title. And can do text scale to true, text color to white, text font to source. Actually, we'll do Gotham bold. Then we can just make it say stats. Can get rid of the text. We can give it a text stroke. So put text stroke transparency to 0, and now we have this frame. Alright. If you guys want, you could use the Roundify plugin, but I'm just gonna do it like this because I rarely do it like this, and it actually looks nice. Alright, so now we can insert some more text labels. This I am going to set the size to like 0. Actually, no, not 0. We'll do 1, 0, 0.15, 0. Alright, now we use our Roundify plugin for this. We can make the color to this will be your win, so we can just make this green. We'll do 0, 255, 0, so lime green. And then we can put the text label like it, so the roundified version's parent z index to 2. Then we can do text scale to true, font to Gotham black, and then we can do text color to white, so it's now Gotham white, I guess. Alright, and we can put text stroke transparency to 0, and we can just make it say wins : alright. Alright, so we can rename this text label to show wins, and we can insert a local script. Alright, so now we are going to do while wait do local player equals to game.players.local player, and then we'll drop a line and we'll do script.parent.text equals to win equals to wins : space concatenate player : find first child, leader stats, colon, wait for child, wins, dot value. Alright, so expected Unicode character. What the heck does that even mean? Unexpected Unicode character. U plus 2028. Did you mean? Alright, let's go ahead and play this. Yeah. Oh, okay. So we'll do game.players.localPlayer. Alright, let's just delete the script and let's do this again. While wait do. I'm not sure why we're getting that here. Player equals to game.players.localPlayer. Alright, now we can do script.parent.text equals to wins colon space concatenate player colon find first child leader stats colon wait for child wins dot value. Alright, so now this should work because we're not getting that weird error, even though the script is exactly the same. And wins colon 0. Alright, so it works. Alright, so now we can duplicate this show wins, and we can drag it down a little. This one will show the coin, so we can just make it can first rename it to show coins. We can go into the roundified version. We can just make it a yellow color. And we can go into the local script now, and we can just make this say coins. And then here will have to be coins as well. Alright, and we can just make the text just for organization to coins colon. Alright, and now we can duplicate this, drag it down, and rename this one to show level. Can make the image color for the roundify to 0, 255, 0. Not what I meant. I meant 0, 0, 255. Alright, and we can go into local script, change this to level, and also change this to level. Alright, and now we can just change the text to level colon. Alright, so now we can go ahead and play this, and it should work. Okay, 0 wins, 0 coins, and I'm level 1. Perfect. Now if I went ahead and I just gave myself some wins, I'm like, oh god, I got 1,000 wins. Because I got all those wins, I'm like level 67, and I have like 10,000 coins. Alright, so yeah, everything works perfectly fine. Okay, so now, well, as you see, when we join the game, the frame is just like on our screen. So we can go ahead in the frame and just scroll down in its properties to visible and just put that to false. And now in the player stats GUI, not in the frame, we can insert a text button, and we can bring that over here, and we can make this to 0.1, 0, 0.1, 0. Then just make it a little bigger. We can make the color to the same red as the frame. This we can roundify. Can set the z-index of the non-roundified one to 3. Set the z-index of the roundified one to 2. Then we can duplicate the roundified one and put the z-index to 1. Then just make the color darker. And then just like that. Alright, so now we have our button. We can rename this to frame visibility control. Alright, and now we can put text scale to true. We can make it Gotham bold. Then we can make the text color to white. And we can make the text to stats. And text stroke transparency to 0. Now inside of the frame visibility control, we can insert a local script, and we can, inside of it, current state of visibility of the frame. So if it's visible, then it will become invisible when you click it, and if it's invisible, it will become visible when you click it. But now we can drop a line, and we can do if script.parent.frame.visible equals to true, then we can do script.parent.text equals to close. Then we can do else script.parent.text equals to stats. Okay, and now we can go ahead and play this. Okay, so if we click it, boom, just changes text, and it makes the frame come on and off. So just like we wanted. Alright guys, so the last thing we are going to be doing today is the level up system. So inside of starter GUI, we are going to insert another screen GUI, and we can name this one to level up system. And inside of it, we can just insert a text label, set the size to 0.4, 0, 0.5, 3, comma 0.2, comma 0. We could just actually make this to 0.1. So we don't really need it that big like that. Okay. And now we can just make the background transparency to 1, text scale to true, text to source of sand bold font, and text color to white, text stroke transparency 0, and we can make it say wins to level up. And now inside of it, well, first we can just rename it to level up system handler, I guess. Alright, so now we can just insert a local script into it, and we can do local player equals to game.players.local player. Then we can do local stats equals to player colon. Actually, we'll just do local stats equals to player colon find first child leader stats. Then we can do drop a line. We can do local wins equals to stats colon wait for child wins. Then we can drop a line and do local LVL, so for level equals to stats colon wait for child level. Alright, and then we can drop 2 lines and we can do if wins dot value equals to 0, then script.parent.text equals to you need 3 more wins to level up. Alright, and then we can drop a line, then drop 2 lines actually, and then we can do else if wins dot value equals to 1, then drop 2 lines, script.parent.text is equal to you need 2 more wins to level up. Alright, now we can just copy this. Actually, first drop 2 lines, and now we can copy this else statement. And drop 1 more line. Boom. Boom. Alright, then just paste them into us. So we can change this to 2, and we can change this to 3, and we can change this to 1, and then we can change this to 8, and we can do congrats, comma, you've leveled up, comma, you now need 8 more wins to level up. Alright, but if we played this, then this sentence should be there, but if we changed our wins value, then this line will still be there. So what we need to do is, after this end, we have to do a wins dot changed colon connect function. Alright, and now we can just copy all of this and paste it into here. Alright, and actually just open up the wins.changed and go into the one that says else if wins.value equals to 3, drop a line after the script.parent.text sentence, and then we'll do level dot value equals to 2. Level dot value equals to 2. Alright. And we can also, I guess, just put that here too. So we can drop a line and put level dot value equals to 2. Alright, so now we can close that. We can X out of the script, and we can go ahead and test this out. So if I hit play, alright, I need 3 more wins to level up because I have 0 wins. If I now I have 1 win, so I now need 2 more wins to level up. And now I have 2 wins, I need 1 more win to level up. And now I have 3 wins, and congrats, I've leveled up. You need 8 more wins to level up. Change that sentence a little. So yeah, so yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed and this helped you out, please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.